Assalamualaikum friends, here is typography for two software like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Here is AI, APS and PSD file preview, and here is font link, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy Nova lifetime, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, write Sheri SK and follow me. Last is Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. Subscribe me on Telegram channel. I will provide every link of data first year. Okay, so here is AI for Adobe Illustrator. First you need these font information or logo. Just here copy and paste there. Okay, paste on your browser. Individual font. Okay, here is a APS file. Next is a preview 120, and you see wow, okay, open BST file, double click, and you see here in layer area, here is a 41 folder. Every folder have a logo. Sorry, here is 41 to 80 folder. Select this one, Alaska. But you need this font. Same here. Wow. Security craft, coffee house, A and R. These are C and YK color. Okay, and next is this. Same thing here, 81 to 120. Zoom. So you can edit if you need this font. Same thing here. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app or password. Follow me on Facebook. Take care, Allah Hafiz.